Definition of state, capital S. The term state has been used in different provisions concerning the fundamental rights, hence Article 12 has defined the term for the purpose of Part 3. According to it, state includes the following: Government and Parliament of India, that is executive and legislative organs of Union Government; Government and legislature of states, that is executive and legislative organs of the state government; all the local authorities, that is municipalities, panchayats, district boards, improvement trust, etc; all other authorities, that is statutory or non-statutory authorities like LIC, ONGC, SAIL, etc. Thus, state has been defined in a wider sense so as to include all its agencies. It is the actions of these agencies that can be challenged in the courts as violating the fundamental rights. According to the Supreme Court, even a private body or an agency working as an instrument of state falls within the meaning of the state under Article 12. Definition of state: Parliament, central government; state legislature, state government; local authorities, that is municipal panchayatis; other authorities not defined in the constitution. Example: LIC, ONGC, BSNL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, IDBI, electricity boards. Private persons, if any contract with the government, then he is a state. NCERT BCCI is not a state as it does not take financial help and aid from the government. Constitutional definition, Article 12. In this part, unless the context otherwise requires, the state includes the government and Parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India.